A federal appeals court on Friday struck down California's ban on high capacity magazines, those holding more than 10 rounds, finding that it runs afoul of the Second Amendment. Even well intentioned laws must pass constitutional muster, Judge Kenneth Lee wrote in the 66-page decision. California's near categorical ban of large capacity magazines strikes at the core of the Second Amendment, the right to armed self defense. The decision noted that the scope of law was so sweeping that half of all magazines in America are now unlawful to own in California. The opinion stated that the Second Amendment limits the state's ability to second guess a citizen's choice of arms if it imposes a substantial burden on their right to self defense. The three-judge panel was divided 2-1 in its ruling. Judge Barbara Lynn dissented, finding that the majority opinion conflicted with prior decisions from the courts. She also wrote that the California law does not place a substantial burden on core Second Amendment rights because it does not prevent the use of handguns or other weapons in self-defense. Magazines that hold more than 10 rounds have been illegal to sell, manufacture, import, or transfer in California since the year 2000. In 2016, a bill was passed that would make ownership of the gun parts an infraction. That same year, California voters passed Proposition 63, a clarifying measure holding that people who owned high-capacity magazines had to get rid of them regardless of when they first came to possess them. Violations could be an infraction or misdemeanor. The ballot measure also required some people to pass a background check before buying ammunition. In 2017, the California Rifle and Pistol Association and 5 San Diego County residents sued in federal court, arguing that the new law infringed on the constitutional right to bear arms. 3 of the plaintiffs said they wanted the magazines for self-defense, and 2 others said they should not have to give up magazines they already owned. A U.S. District Court judge sided with the plaintiffs and blocked enforcement. The state of California appealed, and Friday's decision upholds the judge's ruling. Chuck Michael, president and general counsel of the California Rifle and Pistol Association, said that Friday's decision is a major victory for the Second Amendment in California and nationally. NRA spokeswoman Amy Hunter issued a statement echoing that the ruling was a huge win for gun owners across the country and noted that the judge who wrote the opinion had been appointed by President Donald Trump. That means everyone who voted pro-gun in 2016 played a role in this significant win, Hunter said. It's a reminder to everyone, vote in November. Your rights depend on it. The California anti-Second Amendment crowd will no doubt continue their assault. Many may have forgot that in 2019, the San Francisco Board of Supervisors declared the NRA a domestic terrorist organization, despite the fact that among NRA's 5 million members are police officers, firefighters, nurses, teachers, construction workers, stay-at-home moms, business owners, and law-abiding Americans. And all law-abiding Americans are always welcome at Smoke and Gun Works. Smoke and Gun Works, proud supporters of your Second Amendment right and dedicated to providing you with the firearms and equipment you need to continue that right. Smoke and Gun Works, 8785 North Baileyville Road, Forreston, Illinois. For the Gun Doctor, I'm Tim Bivens.